Hello everyone. So in this video we have a question. A cube plus a square is equal to 36 and we need to solve it. That means we need to find the value of a. So how can we find the value of a here? From these two terms we can take a square common, or what can we do? We can write a cube plus a square minus 36 is equal to 0 first, and then what do we need to do now? We need to try hit and trial method. What will be the factor which will make this term 0? So if I try a is equal to 2, a is equal to 1, a is equal to minus 1, we can try many numbers. So here if I try a is equal to 3, because I know this is the factor of this term. So what will I get? This will be 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 2 minus 36. This will be 27 plus 9 minus 36 and equal to 0. That means a equal to 3 is a factor of given equation. Okay, whenever we get the factor, what do? We divide. Okay, we have a cube plus a square minus 36. We will divide it with a minus 3. Now divide. For getting a cube, we will need to multiply with a square. Multiply with a square, we get a cube minus 3a square. So now solve it. Subtract this from this. We get 4a square minus 36. Okay. Now we need to, what should we multiply with a to get 4a square? We will multiply 4a. We got 4a square. Now multiply with this, we will get minus 12a. Subtract minus plus, this is 12a minus 36. Now multiply with 12, you will get 12a minus 36. Subtract and you got 0. So now you got a square plus 4a plus 12 equal to 0. And now you need to solve it with the help of factorization. What can we do? This is the form of ax square plus bx plus c. And how do we do? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. 4 multiply 12 multiply 1 upon 2a. A is 1 here. 2 multiply 1. We got plus minus 16 minus 48 upon 2. And these two factors are minus 2 plus minus. This is minus of, subtract this from this, you will get 2 and then 32 upon 2. And when you will solve it, you get minus, this is 4 minus 2 plus minus 2 under root 2 iota. So this is the answer. So these are the three roots. First root is 3 and two other roots are this. If you are working in real, you can only consider this root and you can say these two roots are complex. But if you are working in real and complex both, so you can tell these three roots. I hope you got it. For more questions of this type, please visit my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.